Hey, in this video, I will show you how to create WhatsApp stickers. Not just WhatsApp, Telegram, Messenger, Facebook, Instagram, Viber, whatever, Signal, Clubhouse stickers in 2021 on any iPhone and on any Android device. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, you can share some love. You can give me a like for the YouTube algorithm. You can subscribe if you are new. And hey, if you have any questions whatsoever around the video, let me know in the comment section down below. It will really, I really want to help you out there. And also comment down below, which country are you watching this video from? I'm curious to know that. So what you want to do to create WhatsApp stickers, you just download a free app, go on the App Store or the Google Play Store and type in Sticker Studio. And sometimes if it doesn't show up for you, if you just do this, what you want to do is just type in Sticker Maker Studio like this, Sticker Maker Studio, and install the first option that you have at the top. And when you do, you can just open it up real quick, and here you're presented with a really nice dashboard. It says you don't have any sticker packs yet. Start by creating your first pack. Create a new sticker pack. Go ahead and click that sticker pack name. Let's call it Dr. Niki. Author Dr. Niki. Creating it right now. So here it is. You want to select it, and now you have a tray icon, and you can add all the stickers here, and you can add them to WhatsApp or to iMessage. And let's just create one. You click select on 1, 2, or 3, for example, one camera, access your camera, and just record your face or your microphone. I'll just record my microphone. Click on use photo when you do. And then you can cut it out, which is pretty easy. You can use Smart Selector, which will cut it out for you most of the time. If it doesn't, just use freehand and select your microphone just like this and save the sticker, and that's it. It's pretty simple. I really hope this video helped you out. If it did, give me a like for the YouTube algorithm. You can be very creative with this app. Subscribe if you're new, because we're uploading hundreds of videos just like this every single week for your value. I want to see you in one of the next videos. Bye.